Hi there. Thank you for joining us for this virtual tour of Unit 469 North. This is an A2b floor plan, 670 square feet and on the top floor of the building. It's one of the most premium units we have on property. I think you're going to really love it. Follow me. Hi there. We're standing here inside the living room of Unit 469 North. As you can see, this is actually a corner unit here on the top floor of this building. Because of that, it is afforded a few benefits that most of these apartments don't have, including a beautiful view of downtown Seattle and Lake Union over on this side of it, and over here to my right, a balcony, which again is obviously just a huge value add. Being on the top floor, we are slightly overlooking the buildings opposite us on Wallingford Avenue, so you should get a good amount of light all throughout the day. You've got a nice south-facing and a west-facing over here. And as we get a little bit further away walking up, we lead directly into the kitchen and to the bedroom. This unit has a galley-style kitchen with ample amounts of countertop and cabinet space. It features stainless steel Energy Star appliances, including an electric range and double sink with garbage disposal. And over here on my left, you also have the fridge, freezer, and built-in pantry storage as well. Standing at the entryway to this apartment, you're going to find your stacked washer and dryer unit, your pantry, linen closet, coat closet, and just over here to my left, of course, your bathroom. This unit has a decently sized bedroom. We're going to take a little step inside. As you can see, it features a 6.5-foot tall pony wall, ceiling fan, a really nice large walk-in closet, and one of the more unusual features of this apartment actually, that it has hardwood laminate flooring all throughout the entire unit. It's really nice. Honestly, who would ever want to miss out on a view like this?